Alright, so in problem number 10, it says the scatter plot shows the number of people in 8 different households and the average amount of money each household spends on groceries. Based on the scatter plot given here, so I have my Y value is the amount of money spent and groceries, and my X value is the number of people in the household. And then it says, based on the scatter plot, it wants us to know the average amount of money of groceries people have spent on that has 7 people. So we're gonna use what's called trend line. We're gonna make a trend line or line of best fit. We're gonna make a trend line. So listen, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line as straight as possible. And it's gonna go right through my line there. And now I'm gonna look at 7 people, and that's gonna go right by here. And I'm gonna look at where that goes. Oh, bam, right off the bat, my value is gonna be F. 300 is gonna be too high. 300 is gonna be up here in this area. 300 would be if it's a household of 9 people. So that won't work. That'd be 9 people. And 210, that's going to be closer to 6. So that won't work. And 190 is back in close to the range. Again, that'd be close to 6, so that won't work either. So again, that's the easiest way to handle doing this question. You can go in a little bit more detail, but you really don't have to. It's not that difficult or challenging of a question. Let's see. Problem number... let's see. Which graph does not represent y as a function of x? Okay, so talking about y as a function of x, the easiest way to do is a vertical line test. Okay, so that means a vertical line test. When I'm doing a vertical line test is when I'm looking at the line and I draw a vertical line. So I'm drawing a line and I hit a value. I hit my graph. And I'm taking that same line and I hit my graph again. That right off the bat does not represent a function. This is not a function. C, even though it looks wonky, it's an absolute values are all or these first two, A and C, are absolute values of some function. But if I do a vertical line test, I will never hit the value of x. In order for it to be a function, x can never repeat. Okay? So then that means that x can never repeat. So that means that I can't hit that line of that graph again. All right? So, and same D. So D, I'll never hit it. Again, here, I'll never hit it. All right, see you in the next video where I'll talk about the next problem.